What's going on, guys? It's G with Test Bros, and we are getting ready for a car show for the Cybertruck. So we're going to be doing just a couple of things. We're not fully wrapping it, but I think we're doing something that Chattanooga's will like. So let's get right into it. So what's happening here is Desto actually designed this, but this is like the graffiti version. When they did the Baja video, I don't know if you saw it on Tesla, they had Cybertruck on top of it. So that's kind of like what we're trying to emulating. But we're printing this on Oralful, which is more of a temporary vinyl. Like we're gonna leave it on for like a week and then we're gonna take it out. And then we're gonna install it from the rear quarter panel all the way to the door on one side where it's mostly gonna be showing during the car show. But this is gonna print probably in the next 30 minutes and then we're gonna install it.